Here I am with
Nick,
in the
is this how we're going to do this?
yeah. Yeah. Today we are in the DKI Tech Center, or as Nick likes to call it,
We refer to it as the ETRO building.
here we have some really cool machines that the students are able to use, such as 3D printer here, which is printing something right now, another one over there, and also
This is our custom circuit board mill.
if you're really interested and have something specific in mind and you're not currently taking these classes, you can come speak to Nick and maybe he'll help you if he likes you.
You got to be really serious about it.
Otherwise, you can
Can join the electronics program and it'll be part of your course material.
and you can get a degree.
That is true.